Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Otter AI to Google Meet. Here's a detailed guide on how to add Otter AI to Google Meet for live transcriptions. The first thing to do is to visit otterai.com and log in with your account credentials. Ensure your Otter AI account is upgraded to a Pro, Business or Team plan, as the live transcription feature requires a paid subscription. On the Otter AI homepage, go ahead and locate apps. First off, if you want to upgrade, click on your profile icon here and select upgrade to upgrade. So on the Otter AI homepage, locate the apps tab in the left navigation menu and click on it. Look for Otter Assistant and go ahead and click setup. So in here, the Otter Assistant actually is displayed here using any of this. So Slack, Salesforce, the Otter Assistant is integrated into any of these apps. So what we're actually looking for is how to integrate or sync your Google Calendar into Otter AI or Otter AI into your Google Calendar. So head over to Google. Here we have Google. Go ahead and click on Add. Now you need to connect Google to your Otter. So choose an account. Now, I'd like you to know and click continue to give necessary permissions. This enables Otter Assistant to automatically join your scheduled Google Meet. So click on continue, your scheduled Google Meet events. So we're connecting this. Successfully connected. So this has been connected. Now, enable Otter Assistant for Google Meet. So the next thing you need to do is to navigate to the settings, which is here. So click on your profile icon at the top left, select account settings, head over to the meeting tab here, and under the meeting preference, just ensure that the option to allow Otter Assistant to join meetings is enabled. So default audience to share notes, so default permission level, allow collaborators to share, autopilot, default auto join settings. So autopilot chat messages, ensure that all these are toggled on, send pre-recording emails, auto capture meeting screens. Ensure that it is set to join all meetings or only specific ones. Just go ahead and ensure that all of these preferences are set to ensure that Otter Assistant can work better in Google Meet. So the next thing that you like to do is to join the Google Meet. Now, schedule or join a meeting in Google Meet. So just open Google Meet and schedule or join a meeting. Now, when the meeting starts on Google Meet, Otter Assistant will automatically join as a participant if the calendar event is synced. So copy, if you didn't sync your calendar, copy the Google Meet link, then go to Otter AI. So go to Otter AI, the homepage, then click on home, which is here. Of course, this is home already. Then at the top, click here that says paste meeting URL, then paste the meeting, that's the Google Meet link, and then start recording. So once Otter Assistant is in the meeting, it will start live transcription. Now open Otter AI in your browser to view the transcription in real time. Share the transcription with other meeting participants if necessary. And the transcript will be saved in Otter AI under the Home tab. Open the transcript to review, edit, or export it, and use the share option to send it via a link or email. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.